So the first thing I'm doing is preparing the butternut squash, and so I'm going to cut the long and thin part from the butternut squash right off of the base. And then to go ahead and cut the base in half. Next thing I will do is go ahead and scoop out all of the seeds and remove the inner portion of the butternut squash out. Then it's time to go ahead and peel all of the squash. I'm just gonna cut a thin portion of the butternut squash. Now, this makes it so that way it will lay flat, it's safer to cut. And from here, now, I can go ahead and cut it into like slices like so. Alright, so when we have these pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these into slices, again like so. And now, just do a quick cut here. And I have the butternut squash cubes. Now when it comes to the base of the butternut squash, I already have a flat edge. So I'm just gonna cut it down that way. And then just cut those into cubes. If it's a bit long there, then I can just shorten them up. But generally they're gonna look more so like that, and I can just work right around. And I got the cubes. We have some squash